Hi, my name is Josh, and I used exam-like practice tests for my tests last year. I'll be completely honest and upfront. I used a different test preparation service the first time I took this test, and I failed miserably. So I began searching for a different solution for a different test preparation service, and I found exam-like practice tests, and it did nothing but set me up for success the second time I took the test. From their personal tutoring to their practice tests to the way they handle their customer service. Really, everything about the company is top notch. I have several friends that are entering the same career field that I've entered, and I recommend this exam like practice test to them every time because, like I said, it really puts you on the path to success. I know I would not be where I am today passing that test without exam like practice tests. It really did set me up for a successful career.